Hey guys, what do you think about my glasses? It's all retro fashion over here. It's like the 70s style, right? I just kidding with you guys. This is sunglasses that I bought for my girlfriend. But anyway, apparently we are on a different vibe at the moment. But because I'm working on all kinds of projects, and life isn't always easy, you know. Especially when you want to establish like a fingerprint or something, like a stamp on the planet, right? You want to leave a legacy, so to speak. So I'm writing my second book. It's going to be phenomenal. It is going to be amazing, and it's going to change the world. For you guys who aren't familiar with my first book, the link is in the description. If you are interested, you should definitely check that out. It's about morphopsis, physical transformation, and also about longevity and regeneration. You know, it's really groundbreaking stuff. It is about how to cultivate the life force energy and using it in your own benefit, right? So it's not wrong with that, right? Anyway, I'm going to film out the Pattaya Nightlife. I'm already here for fucking six weeks, and it's still don't getting boring, right? But I want to show you guys a different kind of experience of the nightlife. So stay tuned for that. Well, when I'm filming, I try to create a scene like it's almost POV, like you're walking there with me, or you're the one that are walking there, right? Anyway, stay tuned and let me take you on an adventure. คนแรกของเธอที่ไปฉันก็อยากให้เธอฉันมีเธอคำก็มีแต่เธอคนเดียวเท่านั้นอยากทำตัวที่เธอไม่ต้องการไปไหนไม่ว่าจะทำอะไรก็อยากทำด้วยกันทุกลมหายใจเข้าออกทุกเวลาของฉัน
Coffee.